record. Do video out the window. Show our snowstorm. Winter Wonderland, baby.
It's beautiful. Christmas Day, 2016.
On Lake Mary Road.
Lake Mary Road.
Northern
We're past Upper Lake Mary.
Mormon Lake. With the only cars on the road. Near whiteout conditions. Driving in a winter wonderland.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, look, it's a car. Oh my God. Yes, look at the road, which is like barely plowed. Let's see if we can see some more elk along here. Coming across the little herds of them. We don't get winter in Arizona. Also reasons why Caitlin's are SUV.
Okay, how I stop it?
Just hit
Where's the record? Oh, up here.
red button.